All right, so we are asked to name the zeros, their multiplicity, and the effect of the multiplicity on the graph. We are given negative 2x times 3x plus 1 squared times x plus 7, and this is actually to the 7th power, my mistake, to the 7th. Okay, so to find the zeros, you set each factor equal to 0. So we're going to have negative 2x equals 0, 3x plus 1 squared equals 0, and then x plus 7 to the 7th equals 0. Okay, so remember the exponent will really tell you what the multiplicity is. So negative 2x is equal to 0. If you divide by negative 2, well, 0 divided by negative 2 is still 0. 3x plus 1 squared. I'm not really going to worry about the squared right now, but I know that it is the multiplicity. So if I have 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, I subtract 1 from both sides, I will get 3x is equal to negative 1, and then divide by 3. So I will get negative 1/3, and it is a multiplicity of 2. Same thing with x plus 7 to the 7th. I'm not really going to worry about to the 7th power. I just want the 0. So subtract 7, you'll get x is equal to negative 7 with a multiplicity of 7. Since this x equals 0 only happens once, it is a multiplicity of 1. Now what's the effect? Remember, an odd multiplicity will cross the graph, an even multiplicity will bounce. So at x equals 0, it will cross. At x equals negative 1/3, because it's an even multiplicity, it will bounce. And at x equals negative 7, the multiplicity is odd, it will cross.